we are going to be making some food-inspired slime. I have been wanting to do this video for a long time and now I'm finally doing it and I'm really excited. But first, if you're new to my channel, then hi, I'm Alina. And before we get on to the video, remember to hit that red subscribe button. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And without further ado, let's just get right into the video. The first slime we're going to make is a Mitten chip ice cream inspired slime. First, we're going to start off by pouring some white PVA glue into a bowl. And we're going to be making this in a fluffy slime, so we're going to add some shaving cream. And we're going to make this a thicker slime, so we're going to add 2 spoons of cornstarch. And because this is Mitten chip ice cream, we're going to add some green food dye. Now it's time to activate. If you want my activator recipe, it'll be in the description box down below. Remember to add this slowly. We do not want a stiff slime. As soon as the slime pulls away from the bowl, then we can work it with our hands. This is still pretty sticky, so I'm going to add some more activator. This slime turned out really nice. So for the ice cream bowl, I found this in my kitchen and then I found an itty bitty spoon. And because this is mint chocolate chip ice cream, we're going to add these brown pony beads in the slime. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. And there's the complete Mitten chip inspired ice cream slime. So this next slime we're going to be making is Grape Jam inspired slime. First, pour your desired amount of clear glue into a bowl. And because this is grape jam, we're going to add some purple food dye. Now it's time to activate. Remember to add this slowly. As soon as it gets to this consistency, then you can take it out and work it with your hands. I want the color to be a little darker, so I'm going to add some more food dye. The clear slime isn't going to be perfectly clear when you first make it, but it will eventually. I found this really cute mason jar and I thought it would be perfect to put the jam in because it looks super cute. There's the completed grape jam inspired slime. Now we are going to be making this super cute popcorn inspired slime. First, pour your desired amount of glue into a bowl. Because we want this to be bubbly, add some foaming hand soap. To make it shiny, now add some baby oil. And because this is popcorn, we're gonna add some yellow food dye. Now it's time to activate with our activator. Remember to add this slowly. When it gets to this consistency, then you can work it with your hands. This slime is a little sticky, so I'm going to add some more activator. This slime turned out perfect. Next, we're going to add some yellow foam beads. This will make it look like it's popcorn. This totally looks like real popcorn, you guys. That is so cool. For the popcorn container, I'm using this small Tupperware container. So to make it look like a bag of popcorn, I took a piece of paper and colored marker line, and then I went online and printed these labels. Then just go ahead and tape it on the container and put your slime in. Oh my goodness, you guys, this is so cute. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I hoped you liked it, and if you did, be sure to give this video a big, massive thumbs up. Tell me in the comments down below which slime was your favorite. My favorite one is the popcorn, and I just love the popcorn one. It looks super cute. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed already, then just go ahead and click the red subscribe button so you don't miss out on any new videos. Bye! See you guys next week!